Hey everybody, this is Gary's Ultra Gear 31.5 OLED 240 hertz monitor. One of the best game monitors in the world, purportedly. It's not even a curved screen. It's a regular flat screen, but it's really high resolution and it's great. So good that I paid $1,400 for it. It was on sale a couple days later, and Best Buy, to their credit, gave me $200 back because they have some price match. So, why am I doing this video? If you look up this monitor, it's like the best monitor made because LG gives them out to people and gives all these reviews and everything. So, I've had this monitor 18 days. I'm running a 4090 card, one of the best cards in the world. And look at this. You can actually even see my video cameras burned in on here. 18 days. I have screen burn. I've been in the computer business 28 and a half years. I haven't seen screen burn since the 90s. It doesn't happen. So I call LG and they say, "Oh, go to Best Buy. You just bought it." Best Buy, I call them. They say, "Oh, 14 days. You can't get it. You have to mail it in, and here's your case number, and we'll have 10 business days. We'll try and have that done." So, $1,400 for just a regular 32-inch monitor. I put the towel there because I even laid it down on the towel. It's a beautiful monitor. I mean, this is I don't even know, $6,000-$7,000 machine. I got screen burn. I don't even know if you can see that in the photo. And you'll see stuff like high value words in it. It's from my video cameras. Screen burn can happen, sure, if you have the same image on for years and years and years and stuff. This is crazy. LG has a problem. I call there and I get a nice representative in the Philippines working at a call center. Nobody helps. Call Best Buy, get a nice representative also in the Philippines. That was in Quezon City. Both were very nice. Standard Filipinos are very nice, Filipinas. But, I mean, this is a beautiful monitor. Beautiful. You got to see the photos on it. It's great. But it got screen burn in 18 days. They're like, "Do you have a Best Buy warranty or a Geek Squad?" I don't even know what to say. I am shell-shocked. I was playing a game, and if you turn the lights out and you play a game, you'll just see, like, my video cameras in the back. I've power cycled it, firmware, that's not it. This is unbelievable. I've never seen such crap. And all these people are getting free monitors and putting all these fake reviews up. The monitor looked absolutely gorgeous. I got to tell you, on a 1 to 10, it was an 11. Beautiful. But LG engineers need to look at this, and the call centers are just going to fill out paperwork. Something's wrong. Be very careful buying LG monitors, OLED, anything right now. The girl at Best Buy, she said that we're having lots of LG OLED TVs coming back now. So be very careful, folks. Bye from Millville, New Jersey. This is Gary. I'm the president and CEO, I don't even know, of Gem Enterprises. We're a small little computer sale and repair company. But I bought this from Best Buy. I don't sell this stuff. I'm not an LG dealer. LG usually makes good products, too. I'm not really bashing LG on this, but something's really wrong. I don't know if you can get it. It looks like a mark through here. These are burn marks in the screen. I mean, it looks like a triangle in here. These are from my video cameras. This is insane.